special categories of voters, their voting method. So when we talk about the voters, there can be various voting methods and there can be various categories of voters too. अलग अलग categories के voters हैं. We will talk about these special category voters and how do they vote prelims के लिए and even for the interview. This topic is very important. So as you can see, India's electoral framework, because देखिए till 4th of June और अभी तो वैसे ठीक है, till this time lot of news items, they were related to election and the electoral process. So initially the electoral bonds, they were there in the news, and now also we have the similar topics, because when the election is going on, the governments cannot come up with new schemes, they cannot announce new schemes, and hence you will get very less material in the current affairs also. Usually you get such kind of news, and of course they are important because if it is an election year, this year or maybe in the next year, they can ask these questions. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पर they are saying India's electoral framework allows certain categories of voters to exercise their franchisee even if they are unable to make it to the polling station on the day of voting. There can be certain categories of voters, they may not be able to reach to the polling station for various reasons. जैसे what can be the reason that a person is not able to reach to the polling station? बताइए क्या कारण हो सकता है? A person is not able to reach to the polling station. Maybe the person is on duty, ये हो सकता है. The person is serving or representing India in a different country, that person is not able to come back. The person is hospitalized, the person is Divyangjan, the person is very old, you can say senior citizen. These can be the category, or maybe the person is affected from COVID or some other disease. ये कुछ reasons हो सकते हैं because of which a person is not able to come to the polling station. Last time when election happened in Bihar, they also provided this facility that if somebody is 80 years old or plus, that person will get this facility that voting from home can be, this facility can be provided to the person. And now we have replicated the same in the Lok Sabha elections too, but here the minimum age is 85. So 85 plus people can cast their vote from home. ये facility हमने दिया. The general rule established for voting under various sections of the Representation of People Act state that all voters must vote in person at their designated polling station. So if your polling station is falling in one particular city at one particular location, you have to go there only. You cannot go to a different polling station and you cannot say कि मैं तो यहीं vote करूँगा. ठीक है? You have to find your polling station, and of course you'll be able to do that on the website. Saksham app bhi aate. There's a specific app, Saksham application, which is created by Election Commission of India. You can find your nearest polling station, of course your polling station basically, in that application as well. You have to insert your epic number. Now state that all voters must vote in the person at their designated polling station on the date and hours fixed for the poll and using EVMs, because when you enter into your polling station, you will find that there is an EVM there and you can cast your vote there. However, there are alternative method of voting available, but we have to see who are the people who are eligible basically in this case. कौन कौन eligible है इसके अंदर वो देख लेते हैं. So you will see by post you have special voters, ठीक है. Then you have service voters and electors subjected to preventive detention, जिनको preventive detention में रखा हुआ है कि one, if they are out, like if these people are not in the preventive detention, if they move out, they are going to create havoc. They can create havoc. They have the potential to create havoc, and that's why they should better be under the preventive detention. Then some people can go to the facilitation center. ये कौन है? Voters on election duty. So you know that when the elections are going on, then state government people, central government people, once you crack this exam, even you will be under the duty. Then at the same time, let's say the school teachers, the people working in the banking sector, let's say the people working in State Bank of India, they are also on election duty. ठीक है? How do they vote? They have a specialized facilitation center before the election day. They go there. Of course, the time is given and they can cast their vote. ठीक है? Then you have postal voting centers, person employed in essential services. ये essential services क्या है वो भी हम देखेंगे. Then people, there are certain people they can vote from home or hospital also. ये कौन है? Senior citizen, as I said 85 plus. So of course they cannot go to the polling station, or in case they cannot go to the polling station, they can avail this facility कि I want to vote from home or I want to vote from hospital. Even the Divyangjans will have this facility, and the people working or people affected from the COVID, they will also have this, you can say, facility that they can vote from the hospital or they can vote from the home. Postal ballot क्या? Because we have read this बाय पोस्ट, वी वोट फ्रॉम द पोस्ट। ये क्या है, देखो, postal ballot allows voters who cannot be physically present in the polling station. Now, who is the person who cannot be physically present? There can be separate categories, the specific people who cannot be available. ठीक है, इसमें अलग अलग कैटेगरीज है। द फर्स्ट कैटेगरी इज स्पेशल वोटर्स। स्पेशल वोटर्स में कौन आएगा? द प्रेसिडेंट, द गवर्नर, the vice president. These are the special voters since they cannot be like physically present at a particular place. Therefore, this president, vice president, governors, even the cabinet ministers, high ranking dignitaries, they are treated under the special voter category and they get the facility of postal ballot. ठीक है, they can vote through the postal ballot like this. ठीक है, इसके अलावा सर्विस वोटर्स, ये कौन है? सर्विस वोटर मींस द पीपल सर्विंग इन द आर्म्ड फोर्सेस, द पीपल सर्विंग इन द पैरामिलिट्री फोर्सेस। अब कोई लद्दाख में है, of course we should not trouble that person because already the life is very difficult on the borders. So the people belonging to the military and the paramilitary or the forces, the life is anyway very difficult, and of course they are serving the country there, and it is very much required that they should be there in the difficult areas, like some of them are there in the J&K and the border areas. Hence, we provide this facility कि you don't need to come to your constituency, you don't need to come to your polling booth. We will provide you this facility that from your location itself you can cast your vote. ठीक है, so कौन कौन हुए? स्पेशल वोटर्स, प्रेसिडेंट, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट, कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर्स, गवर्नर्स। सर्विस वोटर्स means serving the country, armed forces, paramilitary forces, the police members. Then voters on election duty, as I said कि when you have this duty to ensure that the election should happen in a fair manner, then also you get this facility. इसमें कौन कौन आएगा? Again, the very special category of voters, let's say returning officer, the polling booth officer, public servants, let's say someone is, as I said, the teachers of the government schools, at the same time, the banks, the returning officer, you can say more or less the public servants. ठीक है, याद रहेगा। सो ये एक और कैटेगरी है। देन इसके अलावा यहां पे देखिएगा, सर्विस वोटर्स हो गया, स्पेशल वोटर्स हो गया, देन एट द सेम टाइम वोटर्स ऑन इलेक्शन ड्यूटी भी हो गया, देन प्रिवेंटिव डिटेंशन, ये भी समझ में आया, बताया था। इफ दे मूव आउट they are going to create problems for everyone, therefore they should be under the preventive detention and they can cast their vote from the preventive detention only, from the place only. ठीक है, तो ये भी इन कैटेगरीज के अंदर आते हैं। फिर इसके बाद एक कैटेगरी होती है एब्सेंटी वोटर्स की, जिसे कहा जाता है एवी, एब्सेंटी वोटर्स। इसमें क्या है? इन एब्सेंटी वोटर्स ऑल्सो यू हैव वेरियस कैटेगरीज, लाइक यू हैव एब्सेंटी वोटर्स सीनियर सिटीजन, लाइक दिस इज द फर्स्ट कैटेगरी, एब्सेंटी वोटर्स सीनियर सिटीजन। AVPD, एब्सेंटी वोटर्स फिजिकली डिसेबल्ड, दिव्यांगजन्स। एब्सेंटी वोटर्स कोविड कैटेगरी। ठीक है, ये कहां से कर सकते हैं? फ्रॉम होम और हॉस्पिटल दे कैन वोट। नाउ दीज आर द स्पेशल कैटेगरी वोटर्स एंड दे आर गेटिंग दिस प्रिविलेज because they belong to this special category. They have one or the other reasons because of which they cannot go and vote at a particular location. That's why they are getting this facility. ठीक है, now those eligible for postal voting must submit a formal application to the returning officer. So they will say कि okay, I belong to this category. Let's say my age is this, or let's say I belong to this service, or I'm from the paramilitary forces, or maybe I'm a special category voter. Therefore, this facility should be provided to me. In that case, returning officer will consider that case, and then after considering the case, approval will be given, and along with the name of the person, PB will be added. PB means postal ballot voting. And once you apply for this, once PB is added just next to your name, then you cannot say कि भाई मैं PB use नहीं करूँगा, means then you cannot say कि okay, I'm not going to go for the postal ballot, I'll go to my polling booth and I'll vote there. No, एक बार आपने इसे अप्लाई किया, once this is applied, then of course this PB status will be there, and यहाँ पे special voter, service voter and electors subjected to preventive detention can return their postal ballot by post. So you have to cast your vote through the postal ballot and then return the post so that your vote could be काउंटेड। ठीक है, तो इस केस में ये सब चीजें करी जाती हैं। ठीक है, अब कैन दिस पोस्टल बैलेट बी यूज्ड इन एन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक फॉर्म? क्या ऑनलाइन इनको दिया जा सकता है? क्या लगता है? हम कह रहे हैं पोस्टल बैलेट, सो पोस्ट के थ्रू भेज रहे हैं एंड वी आर गेटिंग इट बैक थ्रू द पोस्ट। कैन द मैकेनिज्म बी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक? क्योंकि आजकल तो वोटिंग ऑनलाइन भी हो सकती है। कैन वी डू दिस ऑनलाइन? यस और नो, ये बताइएगा। यहाँ पर फैसिलिटेशन सेंटर एक बार देख लेते हैं पोस्टल वोटिंग सेंटर्स। तो इस तरीके से फैसिलिटेशन सेंटर होते हैं, किसके लिए? तो यहाँ पे देखिएगा फैसिलिटेशन सेंटर, ये किसके लिए? वोटर्स ऑन इलेक्शन ड्यूटी। सो पीपल who's like the people who are given this job to ensure that the election should happen in a free and fair manner, they also need to vote. And how they're going to vote, in for their purposes a specialized facilitation center is created so that all the staff members could go there on a particular date. The time is around 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and they can cast their votes, they can register their votes. ये specialized किसके लिए create किया जाता है? For the people who are there to conduct the election. क्योंकि होगा क्या? The day of election they'll be busy and therefore we cannot expect them to discharge their duties at the same time to vote for one or the other person. That's why it happens before the election कि भाई जितने भी लोग, the people on duty on the election day or during this entire time, they should be able to cast their vote beforehand. ठीक है, वोटिंग प्रोसेस जो ये होता है पूरा का पूरा, इट इज वीडियो टेप्ड, ये वाला जो है इट इज वीडियो टेप. इट इन्वॉल्व्स कास्टिंग वोट्स इनटू अ स्टील ट्रंक, और वोटिंग के बाद these steel trunks, they are like labeled and then they are preserved in a cotton bag and finally they are kept in the strong room. strong room क्या है? strong room is a place जहाँ पर ये सारे वोटिंग की मशीन्स जो होती हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वोटिंग मशीन्स, ये रखी जाती हैं. ठीक है, वहीं पे इवन दीज ट्रंक्स आर ऑल्सो प्रिजर्व्ड. ठीक है, उसमें भी आपकी काउंटिंग होती है बिकॉज ये तो ऑफलाइन होगा आपका.